Vincent Monda na robot urasenchera iwekan tuguskawasyo mancho murigeria abamenyi kurwasa chibunge chabo machoge burabu hamuna bo machoge chache abo igo baraba onchureria somo chibugembo nigo besokire na kugikeria chiburaburu echo cyaba somo chibugembo na kuboria he wizara etende to borendi boime kwaneke gukora obutukibwa bwango na kubabeka byara abakagero bonsi bagukwana hase municipality eyo ya Ogembo eyo etabeke iribesa chinde chionsi hase ekeganchana bage budget yo mwaka oyoiga nigo bono baburire serikali ya county ya Kisii kwaneke abuna municipality eyo kwegwere chibesa chiaye korengana nerichiko murikitwa Polinari Sakama na mange
bagukwana imeyo mu Chibugembo niga bamenye kurwe bunge ya bumachoge borabu nere ya bumachoge chache besokire na kugikire buraburu yene kigwa asenseme yo amatuka makeigo aitire.
Name is Abraham Okindo Mukwa, a community chairman from this locality. Bumachoge residents, traders and business owners stand here today to strongly condemn the unfortunate attack of the people of Ogembo town, including the area's MCA, which led to serious injuries to several people, robbing businesses and destruction of property.
Kwa niaba ya wakazi wa Ogembo, tumekuja kukemea na kukashifu kitendo cha uhalifu ambacho kilitendeka hapa Jumamosi iliyopita.
Iwotu achira una machoge ruburabu na machoge chache o condemn amangana bete ga Ogembo ritukuria esabatiria etete.
Nigo babulire gwizara y'oburendi bw'ime gokora obutukibwa bwango na kwenekya buna bakagerwa nkobeko bali byara.
The people of Machoge and the community of Ogembo municipality are now worried that the peace that has existed between the communities in Igucha is now threatened, and want to ask the Inspector General of Police, Mr. Daud Kancha, to investigate the incidents with an aim of bringing to book the culprits.
Tungependa kuambia asasi za usalama kwamba wawe wanalinda wananchi, wao wasitumikie wale viongozi ambao wanataka kuongoza watu kimabafu.
Abantu bo Ogembo morento morembe, we want to morembe naba menyi barororo nabandu bondi bonse meto Ogembo torento morembe.
Bagukwanire municipality y'Ogembe yibagoteba tebeke iribesa chinde chonsi aseke gancha ningo batebire bunanere buye municipality yokubekero chibesa chiaye kolengana nekengese kerichiko.
Haki yetu kama wakazi wa Ogembo kuona kwamba fedha zimewekwa zimetengwa kwa ajili ya maendeleo ya Ogembo.
Addressing the issue of allocating zero development funds for Ogembo municipality, which is the main concern by the residents.
Demanding right now that Paradiso is out of this business. It's not Paradiso business, it's not Atika business, it's not my business. This is the interest of the community. I'm going to take for the first time because any interest in the community. So allocate to Ogembo chipesa chia Ogembo municipality constitutional karanaki whatever.
Weigo nigo bamentre goteba bunanere buye serikali ya county ya Kisii gochamo na babwatani kurwase municipality yo eriko gaya na buna muchandonde bwensi koraroro.
Onye mechandero Ogembo abaga kambaro business community nero ntobwate e committee ya municipality inkiyongwa yata anki yondata gochara simba akaranse bakaranse na leaders bachorire basorwe problem ero Ogembo.
Omwairi ukona kukubule kwa bwochya serikali ya county ya Kisii.
Now we are demanding this. All the issues to adesirigaiga. Omo governor a respond with immediate effect. Otherwise, ndota itkora chogende yonche gokoru Ogembo no nye magena.
The concerned community, we demand the following: that the governor responds to the petition by the Ogembo municipality residents.
Ko reporter gita Senigian Soko TV. Nchede tana Polinaris. Kama